Hello guys and welcome to What is the Output series in Python programming by Amul's Academy. So in this video series I will give you a program. You need to guess the output of that program, and after that we'll execute that program and I will explain you the output. So here is your today's program. Pause this video and try to guess the output of this program. I hope now you have your answer. So we'll execute this program. So here we can see no output. It is still running. The program is still running. If I want to close this, then I want to close this button. Your program is still running. Do you want to kill it? Okay. So to stop the execution, I need to kill the program. Why? It is because here for loop became infinite. Here we can see list 1. Okay. It contains two elements, that is two strings ABC and 1, 2, 3. So here we can see a for loop. And first I value will be ABC. Okay, so whenever this for loop will execute, it will append a new value to the list 1. Okay, so here first I value will be ABC, so list 1 dot append I, so it will append the I value to this list 1, that is ABC. So now list 1 becomes ABC, 1, 2, 3 ABC. Okay, next I value become, again it will append a new value, that is I, that is 1, 2, 3. So now list 1 becomes ABC 1, 2, 3 ABC 1, 2, 3. Okay, again I value become ABC and it will again append the value. So whenever the for loop body will execute, it will append a new value to list 1. Okay, so that's why this for loop will become infinite. So there is no stop. So it won't come out of this for loop. So it won't execute this print function. So for this program we will get no output because for loop becomes infinite here. Okay, so this is about this program. If you like this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in next class with a new program. Till then, take care.